Hi everybody, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. In this video, we are talking about the chain rule for taking the derivative. And if you are in my class, this is the blue cards number 19. Okay, so the question said to calculate the derivative of y equal to the quantity of, and when I say that, I am looking at the outside function being some u to the fifth power, and the derivative of that is 5u to the fourth power. So that's what's going on in my head when I started reading the function y equals the quantity of x over x plus 1 to the fifth power. All right, so that's give me that outside function here. And the inside function is a quotient. So I am thinking, well, I need to know the quotient rule. And the quotient rule said the derivative of f divided by g is equal to the derivative of the first times the second minus the derivative of the second times the first, all divided by the second function squared. That's the quotient rule. Okay, so I'm going to apply that quotient rule for my inside function, which is x over x plus 1. All right, so here we go. This is how we are going to take the derivative of y. The derivative of y with respect to the variable x is 5 of u to the fourth power. And what is my u? That's the inside function x over x plus 1 to the fourth power. This is the derivative of the outside multiplied by the derivative of the inside function. Okay, so inside I have a quotient, so it would be all over the denominator square. And then on the numerator, I will have the derivative of x, which is 1, multiplied by x plus 1, minus the derivative of x plus 1, which is 1, multiplied by x. Okay, now this right here represents the derivative of my inside function, and that's what the chain rule said. The derivative of the outside function evaluated at g of x multiplied by the derivative of the inside function g of x. Okay. Now, what can I do with that? I can clean that up a little bit. So let's see how that is getting cleaned up. I would say that the numerator here, when I distribute, I would have x plus 1 minus x. X plus 1 minus x, well, x minus x is 0. So I would just have 1 on the numerator over that. Okay, now when I say over that, that looks exactly the same as the denominator here to the fourth power. So I think I can go ahead and rewrite that to make that look nice. And the derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to the denominator, when I have x plus 1 to the fourth power multiplied by x plus 1 to the second, I will have x plus 1 to the sixth power. On the numerator, I have 1 times x to the fourth multiplied by 5, and that is going to be 5x to the fourth power. And that is the derivative of y with respect to x using the chain rule and the quotient rule.